Oh. Hello there, I'm replacing a screen for ASUS Model X505Z. It's gonna be it can be X505ZA space BH51 space CB, and remove the two bottom screw on the bottom here. And pry the side guard for the screen. You can use the credit card to put it under here in order to pry out. Remove the four screw over here on all the four corner. And you can easily pry the screen now, and the front you can remove the screen and the front. If you have a battery outside, you can take off the battery, but I have a battery inside, so I'm not gonna take off the battery or anything. So then you can pry the connector over here, the screen connector, and you can remove the old screen. This is a broken screen. So this is my new screen from the laptopscreen.com. There you go. I'm not gonna remove any paper or any screen protector. It's covering the screen. I'm gonna test the screen first. I'm gonna connect the screen over here. There we go. Okay. Then I'm gonna place the fourth screw over here on that side, on all four sides. Actually, I'm gonna put the two screw only on the bottom and the top, so I can test the screen for now. All right, there you go. Awesome. So the screen is working now. I'm gonna remove the protectors. Now I'm gonna replace the two other screws on the bottom and the top. The screws are tight, and I'm gonna put the screen guard on the side, so I'm gonna slide it, and I'm not gonna turn off the PC because it's updating, so I can turn it off right now. There we go. Let's shut down. Yeah, see, it's better to shut down the PC. And you can put, and then you can slide it, and make sure that everything is fit on the bottom and the top, and put a little bit pressure, not put too much pressure, and you can do it that way. And you can press the side guard to lock it. And now you can put the two bottom screws, and you are done. And I'm just gonna make sure the screen is working now, so I'm gonna press it one more time. There we go. Screen is brand new looking now. There you go. All right. Thank you.